IDUN High Performance cluster started to provide large language models, LLMs. In this video, I'll show how to access LLMs in web browser, in Visual Studio Code, or code server with extension Continue, extension Cline, or extension Roo Code, also in JupyterLab, and how to access LLM via API. Disclaimer, AI is moving fast and months ago is already prehistorical era. It is faster to update documentation than to record a new video. Please check IDUN documentation for latest updates. Documentation is on IDUN website. Click here and here. These models are available now. We will try to update them with better models in the future. OpenWebUI is a web interface to access different LLMs. Let's follow documentation. AI, scroll, there is a link. Enter your university login and password. Here you can select LLM model. Ask to draw a cat. Nice. You can upload files. There is a code interpreter. Let's try a model that was tuned for coding. Make me HTML login page. Looks like a login page. There is preview button. I can scale full screen. Next is Visual Studio Code and Code Server. Code Server is a web version of Visual Studio Code. There are differences with extensions, but for purpose of this video, they will be treated as identical. Code Server can be accessed from this page, login, scroll, Visual Studio Code Server, settings, launch, starting, connect. This is web version of Visual Studio Code. Extensions Continue, Cline, and Roo Code can be installed on web and desktop version of Visual Studio Code. Continue extension. Following documentation, I need to install extension and I will use this configuration. Click on Marketplace, continue, install. To change configuration, click on Model Selector here and then click on this gear icon. This will open configuration file. I already added configuration. I can use it in a chat mode. I can change it to agent mode, make me a pie chart program with planets. Oi, it cannot find matplotlib module. It wants to install it. Accept, accept, accept. I will accept all steps. And I got a pie chart with a code and documentation. Continue plugin also has tab autocomplete. Create new Python file. I will write command what I want to make. And I'm getting recommendation. Press tab on keyboard to accept or escape to decline. There is indicator here. When it is thinking, it is spinning. Tab, tab, tab. And this is too much. Escape. Run works. Ask agent to modify code. Works. Let's make mistype on purpose. Ask agent to fix error. Fixed. Next extension is Cline. Following documentation, install. This is configuration, installing extension Cline. Use your own API. Let's go. There is option to auto-approve all actions. Make program to get weather from IR.no. It is asking to save file. I will be brave here. I will auto-approve all actions. It is running code, checking errors and fixing them. I got weather program and it is from IR.no. I want program to show results in web browser. Oh, it created a local web server. This is the address, Trondheim weather, and there is refresh button. Next extension is Roo Code. It started as Cline fork. It has its own features. Following documentation, install Roo Code and use these configuration options. Let's go. I will be brave and auto-approve most of the actions. Make tic-tac-toe game in terminal. It is asking what language, Python, and this is a game I won. Make it to run in web browser. It created this file, open, and it looks like tic-tac-toe. Jupyter AI. Following documentation, create Python virtual environment and install JupiterLab and Jupyter AI. Installed. To start JupiterLab on IDUN HPC cluster, go to this link, JupiterLab, add environment setup, launch, connect, this button for Jupyter Note, make function for Fibonacci sequence, insert but I need to scroll to show, there is autocomplete, press tab, it completed on wrong line, I can fix it. I'll make 2 mistakes, it failed. There is built-in command to fix active cell, I need to select active cell. It found errors, replace. And final topic is API. Following documentation, there are 2 options. One we already tried, AI Code Assistant. Second option is more flexible. I will use Open Web UI to create API key, settings, account, show API key, or generate a new API key. Now I can create chat Python script. Using this example, replace API key, why sky is blue. And there is second example in the documentation with additional adjustments like temperature and other options. And you reach the end of this video.